What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Now, this video I'm starting out like this, which is a little bit different because we had some serious tech issues. When I was recording this over the course of the last 3 months, I acquired 26 minutes of footage, which I edited down to like 18-ish minutes, and I thought we did a pretty good job explaining things. But then I think I ran out of storage on my Mac, and it decided to delete everything, including my export, so I had to restart. The problem is, I already started recording my next video, so I deleted half the stuff on my memory card. So I only have the second half of my install that is on my computer now. So just a quick rundown. This is for the trailing arm bushing, and in the entirety of the video I use the special tool you can buy because I'm a big advocate of using it, because my car had 22 years of rust on that one bushing, and it really did a good job. It takes about 5 minutes, pushes it out. Fantastic tool. So what I didn't show you guys in the video, because I don't have the footage for it anymore, is me kind of taking the arm down and the way I did it. So pretty much you take your wheel off. Behind the hub going into the car, there's 2 bolts. There's a brake line on the other side of the arm. The 2 bolts holding your bushing in. Pull that entire arm down, and then where your alignment bolt is, follow that arm down, go to the back of it, there's another bolt there. And that's how I ended up getting my workaround around getting the alignment bolt off, because my alignment bolt was so seized and so rounded, it wasn't coming off. So I ended up taking that bolt off, put the tool on, pop the bushing out, and that is pretty much where we're at. It was super unfortunate I lost all that footage, and I really wish that didn't happen, because I spent like 3 hours editing all that down into that 18-minute video, and I don't know what happened to the final export, but we don't have it anymore. So I restarted from what I have. So hopefully this video isn't too bad now and explains things good enough for you guys. So I already got the bushing out in my video, so now the rest of it is me putting it back in and kind of reviewing what I'm feeling and how to do the rest of it, if that makes sense. So enjoy the rest of the video, guys. I hope this video isn't too short after I'm done editing this one. It is now the next day, and I'm using a filter on my camera, so if I look a little bit washed out or tan, that's the reason why. And I hope it doesn't storm, because it looks like it's going to. But pretty much what you do now after you pop it out is you pop it back in like this. I gotta take this filter off, I think. You're gonna pop it back on, try to line it up as best you can, start cranking away. Now if you're lucky, you lined it up perfectly and it's gonna go in straight. But it doesn't always work that way, because the last time it took me like 8 tries to actually line it up. This one looks like it's gonna be lined up better, but we're gonna start cranking at it again. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not looking forward to it, because it really hurts your hands, because it's a lot of force that goes into it. But we're gonna try, and hopefully we succeed. And like right now, it's not going in straight, so I kinda gotta restart. Straight up, this is a lot of work and a lot of muscle power, which I really don't have. I'm not the strongest person in the world, but you could probably make a decent workout out of this. It's a lot. I keep saying I'm gonna finish the Civic, and stuff keeps happening. Like the other day it started raining, and then like yesterday it was pouring, and today it's not raining, and I'm off today. So today we're gonna finish the Civic, and I just think it's crazy. So right now we're still cranking down. Yo, the dogs need to chill out. So right now we're still cranking down on this. Where are you going? Jackson, that's not where you belong. We're still cranking down on this right now, doing the thing, and we're getting it. It just takes a while. And I just think it's crazy that people do this with just a hammer and whacking at it, because I don't see how that would even be like possible. You like it under there, buddy? For anyone trying to actually do this, I suggest putting like a socket or something on the end of it just for a better grip, because it hurts your hands real bad. That's why I started wearing gloves and putting this on there just for an extra grip, because it's a lot of work, it's a lot of pressure and a lot of muscle, and just using this setup like this helps like a crazy amount. Or you can get like a breaker bar or a grip on there, I don't know. But this is what I've been doing, and it helps a lot, so it doesn't hurt my hands as bad. So pretty much you want the bottom to be flush with this arm, top to be flush with this arm, which it is. And now we're good to start putting everything back together. This is one of those jobs that it's a lot of muscle power, and in my case it took a long time because of rusted bolts and broken bolts, but we're finally almost there. I'm gonna button this all back together, which is a few bolts, and I'm gonna take it for a drive because I gotta go to my parents anyways to grab a few things. So I'm kind of excited, kind of nervous. Hopefully it feels good. Hopefully it feels better than it did. But I'll show you guys what we have to put back together. So we gotta put these back on. We gotta mount this back to the top. We gotta put our arm, which is over here, back together. And then we gotta put our brake line back behind here. And then we gotta put my exhaust back on its hangers, which shouldn't be too much work. It isn't that much work. It's actually a very easy job. So we're gonna put everything back together, and we're gonna go for a little drive, and hopefully she handles well. Hopefully nothing breaks, and hopefully we don't kill ourselves. I think I did a decent job. I think we're ready to drive. You know, I feel like first drives after doing like some sort of mod or something is always super nerve-wracking. I'm nervous and I don't know if I should be or not. Hopefully it's good. To be completely honest, don't really know what the trailing arm is even for. I think it's like an anti-sway sort of thing. I should probably put the parking brake down. And I guess we'll find out if there's any problems when I do my first turn. I guess that's how that works. I don't really know. So the first turn is right outside of the driveway. Of course there's cars coming. Everything seems fine so far. My alignment's a lot better than it was. I don't think I feel any differences. Everything seems sturdy. Nothing seems bad. My alignment seems better. Boys, I think we did a good job today. So one thing that I'm noticing that I don't know if I should be noticing or not, but it's the back just feels sturdier. And I guess that makes sense because the new bushings aren't shot. So it feels sturdier in the back, which I'm assuming is a good thing. But like, I mean, it doesn't feel much different. It just feels a little bit less soggy, if that's even a right term to use. So far I'm gonna say I'm pleased with it. I mean, I guess I'm ready to start modding now. I'm gonna go to my parents, and then I guess I'll take the highway home to see how she feels on fast speeds, and hopefully I don't die. But so far, I think we're doing fine. So I've been driving for about 15 minutes. I haven't had one issue with the car. Everything feels secure. I haven't heard any pops or anything coming from my suspension. So that means all the bolts and everything should be good enough. So far, guys, we're killing it. So just as a bit of an update, I've been driving everywhere and I've had 0 issues, and I'm getting pretty hype about that. I took a picture. I was gonna go to my special picture taking spot, but everyone was fishing there, so I'm not gonna go there. But your boy is getting freaking hype now because the car is running. It feels good. The car might have some other issues. It probably does, and we're gonna have to fix them probably very soon. But we can ignore some things right now, and we can start modding. And this next paycheck, I'm telling you guys, I'm buying some things for the car, and hopefully we can escalate the build 150% and make this car dope and fun, and finally start having fun with the car like we planned all along. Now, I do want to get suspension for the car. I already have suspension what I want to get, and once I get it, I'm going to get my alignment done. My only concern is that one bolt, they might have to extract it. It's going to cost me some, because I don't feel like doing that because I'm lazy. But the car is running. The car doesn't sound bad. Well, it sounds bad exhaust-wise, but suspension-wise, it sounds good. So I'm assuming I put everything back together flawlessly, hopefully. So we got some issues that we might have to fix, but we're gonna ignore them for now. But guys, Project Civic is back on. Trailing arms are done. Hopefully it's the last time we ever have to mess with those things because they freaking suck. So guys, I'm gonna leave you guys off here, so please do me a couple things. Comment, like, and subscribe. Keep doing you, stay motivated. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out and peace.